Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting because today we are going to learn a shortcut trick to simplify these type of problems. These type of questions usually comes in competitive exams where you need to solve it as early as possible because we need to save the time as well. If I talk about the basic concept, in these type of questions you will have to start solving from the bottom. From this space 1 plus 1 over 7, keep on solving from bottom to top, but multiple steps are involved which takes time. That is why we are making this video so that a shortcut trick can be taught. Let us try to learn the shortcut trick. While explaining, I will remain slow so that everybody understands it properly. First of all, we are having, read the statement from top to bottom. At the end I am having 1 over 7, right? 1 upon 7 I am having. What we need to do, just write 1 and 7 both. After that, count the number of plus signs. How many times it is coming? Number 1, number 2, number 3. There are 3 plus signs coming. So what we will do, we will make 3 spaces over here. After making 3 spaces, just very simple step we need to do. Just keep on adding, like 1 plus 7. If you add 1 and 7, what will you get? We will get 8. Then 7 plus 8, it will be 15. And at the end, 8 plus 15. 8 plus 15 is 23. We need to fill these spaces just by adding the numbers. Adding 2 consecutive numbers, getting the next one. After completion of all these steps, just focus on last 2 values, 15 and 23. Because this 15 and 23 is going to give you final answer. See how much time will be saved. After simplification of all these statements, your final answer will be a fraction, and that fraction will be 15 over 23. This is the answer. See, hardly fractions of seconds it will take if you will start doing this question yourself. In fact, I would suggest you to do this question and write your answer and then compare. Let me also start with, we are having at the end, what are the values? 1 and 9, right? So what we will write? We will write 1 and 9 together. And then I am making 3 spaces. Just keep on adding 1 plus 9, 10, right? 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 10, it is 29. So what is the answer? Answer would be given by last 2 terms, 19 and 29, and your answer would be 19 upon 29. I hope you are clear with the concept. This trick is actually very much helpful. We have personally used it in different exams, so you can also try it out, and I'm sure this shortcut trick is definitely going to be helpful. Thank you so much for watching the video.